So there's a couple things that I want you to be aware of with the trim tools and some of the bugs that are associated with them we experienced today, and I just want to show you what the workaround fix is for that. So when you have two lines, CAD lines, that are intersecting, the trim tool, and I have my shortcut set to Shift T, should work when you click on either side, and it'll click back to those ends and form the intersection. If you have a shape that has multiple lines that are associated with it, I think that's what we were experiencing today in class, the trim tool reacts in a different way. And when you click on one of those lines, it'll trim back to wherever you've clicked. So I think the solution for that is when you find yourself in that position, rather than having to get out your pen tool and deal with that, is just trim back to a point in the center, in the cross section that makes sense for you. You can trim back and deal with it that way. So it's really on a multi-line drawing, the trim reacts to where you click it, and on an intersecting drawing, it reacts anywhere clicked along that line. For the extend tool, you only have to remember that when you click extend, I have Shift E set to click extend, you have to select the line that you want to extend first, and then the surface that you want to extend it to. If you do the opposite, you'll get a little dialog box that tells you that you have an error. So if you click on the line first, and then they'll say no intersecting lines located. So just remember that when you're dealing with the extend tool, you select on the line that you want to extend first, and then the surface that you want to extend it to. Then you should be in good shape.